Today, I bring a special person, Tina Morgan, a product consultant. She's not only love to cook, love to entertaining people, and also she has a special skill, wine pairing. Here's Tina Morgan. Hi, Tina.
Hello, Suzy. It's
Welcome
so good
back.
to see you.
Yeah.
So today I'm going to do a very simple seared pork loin, pork tenderloin.
Yes.
But the sauce is what the really special part of this is. We have some pork tenderloin. We've seasoned this. If you want to season this one really well.
Sure.
Pork loves salt, so you've got to give it lots of salt.
Make sure there's a flavor, right?
That's right.
Okay, some salt plus pepper.
And pepper. We've got a little oil in the pan, and I'm going to add in some butter.
What kind of oil you put it on earlier?
Just something neutral. You're going to pan fry it first, get all of this cooked off.
Okay.
So you can add those to that pan.
Oh,
Absolutely.
no, I'm the part of cooking too.
Well, of course.
Thank you.
We want to develop some flavors in the pan. So we want the fond in the pan from the meat juices to caramelize.
Okay.
And that's also going to give us a lot of extra flavor in our sauce.
Okay.
So we want to get a little color on the bottom of those pieces. So we're going to pop the heat right up to 10 on these.
Okay.
And let them go.
Do you mind talk about your lemon? I saw the lemon you put it together. It's just so pretty.
So I think presentation on food, you and I have always agreed, is very important.
Yes.
So my dear husband bought me a really cool machine this year, and it actually takes the entire zest of the orange or lemon or lime off in one fell swoop. I just love it. I love presentation. It's really part. We eat with our eyes first. If we see something that doesn't look particularly appealing, we're really not going to. Exactly.
Right.
So our pork is nicely cooked through. We don't have to worry these days. We've been told that pork can be cooked to only 140. It doesn't have to be so well done that we can't chew it. So that's nice. We can still leave a little bit of pink in the middle of our pork. The next step is very simple. We're going to take some fresh squeezed lemon juice and the zest from those lemons, and we're going to add it to the pans. That'll help to deglaze the pan, and it's going to add this beautiful lemon flavor. So we're going to have a lemon chicken pasta to go with this. But you can actually see from this pork all of the beautiful caramelization that we have going on in the pan.
Yes.
That's the fond. That's all of the meat sugars that are caramelizing, and that's exactly what we want in there. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to brighten this dish up beautifully. So we've got butter and oil and all that beautiful fond in the pan. We're going to add freshly squeezed lemon juice and the zest of the lemon as well.
Yep. Okay. So put a half there and half here.
Half there.
Shake a little bit.
Give it a nice shake.
Beautiful. And then let it caramelize a little bit.
And what's this doing is deglazing the pan, so it's picking up all of that beautiful fond off the bottom of the pan. And now we're going to add that secret ingredient.
I can see it. Look,
isn't that gorgeous?
Yeah.
All lifting off.
Beautiful.
So now we are going to
here.
add in this beautiful chicken drippings.
Yeah.
And because
that's the flavor there.
That's lots of flavor there. Now also because of all that gelatin, we're going to wind up with a nice thick sauce on its own. We don't have to add thickeners to this. So we've got that all nicely melted.
Okay.
Now what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to taste my sauce. And I know that I want a little more fresh lemon in there, so we're going to squeeze some more lemon.
Let me taste mine.
So I know I want just a little bit more butter in my sauce. I want this to be nice and rich, so I'm going to put a couple of cubes here, a couple of cubes there. And then we're going to be ready to add our pasta in. The company that I buy is Vita Pasta, but you'll see the pasta is this color in the bag. It's not that dark color. Really good quality semolina flour.
Okay.
Closest thing I've ever found to making it yourself.
Yeah. Okay, now my sauce is ready.
Your sauce is ready.
How much you add it? Whatever you can
Whatever you,
fit it in,
exactly.
Right?
So we want to make sure that the pasta is going to absorb a little bit of the sauce, so it's got a lot of flavor. Now the other thing I like to do with lemon is pepper. Lemon and pepper are beautiful together, so I'm going to add
and the pepper.
A nice crack of pepper on this. Just going to set this up.
Okay. How about I put this away for now? So you do that.
Beautiful.
Wow.
Pork.
And a little bit.
Beautiful.
Wow.
There. And a nice squeeze of lemon if you want a little extra lemon on the side.
I'm going to try it.
You're going to try it?
Of course. I love the pasta. You know, pasta, is the pasta from China or Italy?
Well, they say that it was originated in China, but, you know. The Italians certainly use more of it.
Excellent. Good job.